and welcome to Prudent Media News. First, a look at the headlines. AGNI-5, an inter-Continental ballistic missile test fired 5,000 kilometers off Odisha coast. A three-stage solid fuel-powered 17-meter tall missile. Almost a month after Matani's demise, Alina's teary eyes pledged to fulfill his dreams, express how she feels alone even in a crowd without her Matani. Mobile retailers resolved not to activate SIM cards without document scrutiny. Steps taken to curb false activation of SIM cards in wake of security concerns. And Pandodkar Stadium at its original place still a possibility. Football lovers looking to measure the dimensions and assess plans to counter technical problems. And now the news in detail. Taking a major leap forward in missile technology and military deterrent capability, India test fired its 5,000 kilometers range inter-Continental ballistic missile AGNI-5 on Thursday. It was fired from a test range of the Wheeler Island coast of Odisha. AGNI-5 will be a three-stage, all-solid fuel-powered 17-meter tall missile with capability to carry various forms of payload. Only the US, Russia, France and China possess the capability to operate an inter-Continental ballistic missile. It's almost a month that Matani is no longer with us, but tears still linger in the eyes of his wife Alina. Even in the crowd of Karyakartas, her loneliness catches up with her. No post, no ambition can fill the vacuum. What has remained with her are his principles, his social consciousness and desire to do some good for the society. Laukik Shilkar tracks Alina's life after Matani, a Prudent Media special report.
And he kept telling me that I will come to see all that when it is completed. But before that, he went away.
Almost a month is over, but her eyes are still teary. Now they harbor his dreams, his aspirations. There are political ambitions, but the loneliness after him is far from gone. They say time is the best healer, but some scars are so deep that even time remains helpless.
And I hope that someday soon we'll be together again. We have to be, because he went away without telling any one of us. He didn't say a word before he went. He just went away.
But exactly at a time when everything seems over, life takes a dramatic turn. There comes hope. There comes light, the light of his dreams, hope of his endeavors.
Every decision, whatever, whether even in my personal life, public life, anything, it will always be with Matani in mind.
Political announcement may come in a day or two, but the moments spent with him guide each step in her life. Every moment spent with him reminds her of new responsibility. Responsibility towards the state, responsibility towards people of Goa. But his sudden exit still shakes her from within. With video journalist Tulsidas Chari, our reporter Lokik Shilkar from Kansauli. Mobile Retailers and Distributors Association has resolved that they will not activate SIM cards without scrutinizing documents. The association members are irked over the harassment meted out by the cellular companies over false activation of SIM cards. They have also demanded increase of 5% profit sharing margin for retailers and 2.3% for distributors.
The Goa Mobile Retailers Association and All Goa Distributors Association are aggrieved over the harassment of mobile companies due to false SIM card activation.
Why you are forcing all our retailers and distributors to do the activation? And tomorrow, anything happens over there, who will be behind the bar is the distributor and the retailer. The agreement which was signed by the companies to the distributor, it was clear mention over there that nowhere companies are responsible for any false activation.
They also say that now they will only accept notarized documents for SIM card activation.
That none of the retailer and none of the distributor will activate the SIM card without scrutinizing the document.
The members are also unhappy over the profit sharing margins given to the retailers and distributors.
The margin what telecom companies gives is not more than 2.5%. It is 2.3%. We will be asking them to give at least 5%. A company are paying in crores of rupees for the distributor. They are giving a margin of gross margin of 1.3%. We are demanding to a distributor profitability, gross profitability of 2%.
A reporter from Panaji, Jason Suarez, with video journalist Tulsidas Chari.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.